Hey guys, and welcome back to ShowVLOX. I'm here, gonna be doing an open box. I just received the package. I was waiting for it for actually almost a week. It's a photography studio lighting kit. It comes with the stand, it comes with the backdrops, also it comes with the umbrellas. So I just wanted to do a little open box in front of you guys to show you guys. So remember guys, don't forget to subscribe down below, comment, hit like, and don't forget that notification. Don't forget that notification. Alright? So here we go. Grab it. That's a little weight to it. Okay, so I'm gonna sit while I open it because if I stand you won't be able to see me. So here it is. This is the box. It's fairly big. It comes with a whole bunch of stuff in it. So let me just open this up and I'll show you guys what comes inside. And it was actually a fairly good price as well. Alright. I actually purchased it online. I went to Walmart. So don't forget, go to Walmart. I went to Walmart and I actually typed in photography lighting kit or photography lights, soft lights, so on. And then as you go down below, you see a whole bunch of other options from other companies, but they're sold through Walmart. So I highly recommend it because this kit right here, I saw on a lot of other sites and places for like $80, $90, $100 or more, or even in the stores for like $200. I actually purchased this for only $63. Okay, $63, and it's by Ktaxon. It's spelled Ktaxon, and it's a photo studio lighting kit, right? And it comes with the umbrella set and the back stand, right? With curtains or materials, so that way you can put it in the background and stuff like that. And it comes with three. It comes with white, black, and green, with a green one. So that's awesome. This is one thing I highly recommend because one, if it comes with the green background, you guys can put it in and also edit it and add your own custom backgrounds. Same for the black or the white. So, you know, please, again, so here it is right here. I'm gonna open it up and show it in front of you guys. And I hope you like. Again, don't forget guys, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, tell me what you think down below. Tell me if you liked it. Tell me if you, it's good material as well. Hopefully, it looks like it's good material. But actually, yeah, it is. Definitely is. See, this is the green right here. So this is the green that came with the package. We have the white one right here. We have the black one right here. And we have a whole bunch of, we have fish hooks, which are actually fairly strong. Because some fish hooks, you can feel it and you can tell that they're somewhat flimsy. But these are really good. These are really good. And it actually comes with a back rod. So I can set up like a whole background, put the fish rods in with the materials or the curtain. Okay, so here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. So we got this, right? We have three. Let me just turn this over here to the side. I'm gonna put this on the side over here like this, so we can open it and show you guys what we got. So remember, I only paid $63. If you go to Walmart and shop through Walmart, right? I got this right here, and it came fairly quick. It came within like probably 4 days. 4 days. I have, I think should be six fish hooks, right? Right here. 6 fish hooks. Right here. And they're fairly strong. They're not weak. They're not flimsy. They're really good. Durable. I like that. You can tell a lot of products and stuff like that, especially with the plastic, like when you get it and you try to like you squeeze it and it's really weak or flimsy. So this one's fairly good. So here we go with this. Okay, now this is one of the tripods for the lighting kit. So we have one of the tripods for the lighting kits, which again is nice. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. The tripod right here. We have, what's this little box right here? We have a little box. Oh, these are the light bulbs, the light bulb attachments. So here are the light bulb attachments that you screw in the light bulb, you attach it through here, and you can plug it in. See that? It's pretty cool. And again, this is pretty durable. It's not flimsy. It's not like cheap material or anything like that. You know, it's fairly decently built, well, or made well. So that's pretty good. That's always a plus because you're really skeptical about always when you order stuff online and you're like, oh, I don't know this company, I don't know what I'm ordering it from. But you know what? A lot of companies, they give you the option to return. So make sure you see you have that option to return, and it comes with light bulbs. And that's a plus right there, because a lot of the sites that I went to and a lot of the places that I went, wow, this is a big light bulb. This is a big light bulb. 120 volts. Jeez, this is a big light bulb. I think this just might be too much light. Wow. That's a big light bulb. Alright. I think it just might, I might have ordered a little bit overkill. But that's pretty big. We got one light bulb. This should be two light bulbs right here. Two light bulbs. And then even to replace those, how will I replace those? I don't even think they sell those in the store. Do they even sell those in the store? Look at this. Do they sell these in the store? Where do you see these in the store? I think you have to go to like a photography store in order to purchase this. I don't think you can get this in the store. Imagine it. Alright. Put this one back in here. So we got this one. So we have two lights now, two bulbs, which is good. All 20 volts, but in actuality, their electricity and power usage is a lot less because they're the special bulbs. Oh, here comes the umbrellas. We have a white umbrella here, right? I would say this is a soft umbrella. Then we have another umbrella here. Okay, we have reflection umbrellas with the silver backgrounds. We have two of those here. Let's try opening one of these bad boys. Let's see how it looks. So this is, wow, this is nice. Ooh, doggy. Finish him. So you probably see a little bit of the glare because I have the light on over there, and if I'm open, I have it open, and it's actually under. It's reflecting the light off of the umbrella onto the camera, so you might see a little glare. I can't really tell right now because the camera's there. And this is actually by Shoei. I don't know the name of that company. Shoei is Kshioe. Don't know how to pronounce that. Shoei. And we have, this should be the other light bulb attachment. Let's make sure, let's just open it up. It's right here. That's the other light bulb attachment. Awesome. We got that right there. And we have another. What's this? Oh, this is the other tripod for the light. This is the other tripod for the light. Right here. Wow, this is really good price for all this. It's another tripod for the light. I think this is a steal. This is a steal. A steal. You have the two light attachments. You have two tripods. You have four umbrellas. You have three background backdrops. You have two bulbs, 6 fish hooks or clamps and whatnot, and you have the whole backdrop kit. The whole backdrop kit, right? For the tarps, for the materials. And you have a carrying case for everything. So everything that you just got, you can put into a carrying case, which comes right here. See? So you have a whole carrying case. So that's awesome. I think that's a great great price. I'm actually glad I got it. I'm gonna put it together to see, hopefully it works and nothing's really damaged or messed up or anything like that. And it comes with a little instruction manual right here, so that's pretty cool. Comes with a little instruction manual right here. What an instruction manual, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 8 steps. If you miss any of the steps, you have to go back to the picture and look at the picture. So that's about it. But it tells you this is kind of like a manifest and an order receipt of the items that come in the box and the package. So you have it all here, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, and so forth. Okay? Light stand installation, please refer to 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there you go. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4 if you want to know how to do the light stand installation. But it is self-explanatory. I mean, you open your tripod, you stand it up, you get a good base, solid base. Then you take the lighting attachment, right? You put it on, and that's it. And then the umbrella, actually, you put it through. The umbrella goes actually right through the middle, facing the light. So that way the light, when you turn it on, it faces the umbrella and shoots off of it. So you can have the umbrellas actually facing you on the white side, so that way you kind of get a soft light. Or if not, you can have the umbrellas, the lights facing outwards and the umbrella, the inside part facing outwards on the silver and black ones. So that way the shine and the glare can reflect off of it and give you that somewhat of natural light. And not only that, but the white umbrellas, what you can do is you can turn them around, you can actually face it towards you, so the light is like kind of shining through, and you get that light as well. You know, there's different ways you can do it and stuff. Like if you're a photographer, you know all this stuff, you already know what to do. I'm kind of still learning, but I mean, it's easy. I've been recording, taking pictures, and doing a lot of digital media for quite some time, so I kind of got the hang of it, you know. I mean, anything if I don't know, I'll definitely ask somebody who does know, or you know, whatever the case may be. But there you go. This is the package that I received. I just opened it in front of you guys. I hope you liked it. I definitely like it. I got it for a steal for $63. Did I say $68 before? I think I did. Not 60. It was $63. $63. I don't remember how much I said. But $63. I paid $63. It was $59.99, $63 plus tax, whatever, and free shipping. So I just got it today. It's been almost about 4 days I was waiting. I was really anticipating its arrival so that way I can open it. I was gonna just open it and start setting stuff up and kind of take a look at it and see how it is. But my wife was like, you know what? Hey, why don't you open it and record it? So she's right. Why don't I? So I open it, and I'm opening it in front of you guys so you can see what I got, what I received, and hopefully my videos will look a lot cleaner, crispier. There won't be any shadows, because I noticed a lot of my videos have kind of shadows in the background. I don't like it because as they move, you see shadows moving in the background. So hopefully this will help with that. And tell me what you think, guys. I hope you like it. Subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Hit that notification. You get more brand new videos coming out, and you'll always be notified and updated with all the videos and whatever materials I put out there. Thanks for watching. Peace.